How to convert a Word document to a PDF file easily. First of all, open the Word file you would like to convert. Next, in the menu bar at the top, click on the File tab. After, choose the option Save As. You can rename the file that is being saved, but the most important thing in this moment is the file extension. So, in the File Format field, tap on it to choose the PDF format. When you're done, click on Export. After that, your document has been saved as a .pdf file. So, it's been converted to a PDF file format. Now, if you would like to open this file turned into a PDF format, you just have to go to the directory where it's been saved and open it. Important note: pay attention to not rewrite files. It is something that we always have to take care about when it comes to saving a file. So, be careful with that. Now, touch the subscribe button for more Microsoft Word and PDF tutorials. Thanks!